A woman must be willing to burn hot, burn with passion, burn with words. Hi there, Christina here, and welcome to the Becoming Wives show, where we explore ways to navigate the seasons of your life with meaning and maintain your sense of power and purpose in your marriage. Now, before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you can get the amazing content that I share here every week. This marks our final video in the 3-part Homekeeping Caring for the Soul Home series. Now, if you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I highly recommend that you view those first, then come back and finish this one, just so you get a better understanding of what all of this is about. And just to catch you up on what we're discussing from inspiration from Clarissa Pinkola Estés' work, we're looking at what is viewed as some of the ordinary tasks that women, wives in our case, perform, and their symbolic representation for our soul home. In this final episode, we're discussing the homekeeping chore of cooking and its symbolic representation. Now, cooking deals with feeding the soul. As Clarissa speaks about this in the book Women Who Run with the Wolves, she says, a woman must be willing to burn hot, burn with passion, burn with words, with ideas, with desire for whatever it is that she truly loves. And so she shares that it is this inner fire that does the cooking. And to accomplish that, I identified 3 keywords which I call the 3 C's: creativity, consistency, and cooking. We'll take a look at each of them briefly. First, consistency. Here, you're putting together regular creative efforts. Consistency is fuel to keep the blaze so the fire doesn't go out. If you're not consistent, that could be a big reason why a lot of your ideas don't get realized. You don't show up. It's haphazard. Now imagine you're cooking and the flame under the fire is dying, flipping in and out. You know, for those of us who use the gas stove, that's when the gas is on or taking its last breath. And that's happened to me quite a few times in the middle of my cooking. The meal won't cook. So that consistent fire is key. Creativity. Creativity is the food, the ideas and substance that are raw and needs to be cooked and carried to a taste to completion for serving and partaking, for nourishing our souls and those of others, whatever that may be for you, and whatever type of work that you create. And finally, cooking. Now, this is the action. To this, we must pay attention. Something I spoke more on in another video. We have to attend to our pot. Just as in everyday cooking, you won't leave the pot unattended, will you? No. You watch, you season, you stir, and taste. Yeah, I taste, no shame. It's the same you do with your ideas. Attend to them, season them through study, testing, which is when you take action so that your soul and the souls of those you serve can be fed and nourished, strengthened and fulfilled for a sustained and well-lived life. Now, I hope that you found this little reminder and tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe for the amazing content to empower, enlighten, and encourage you on your journey. In the meantime, let me know in the comments what consistent efforts you're taking this season as you cook up your delicious ideas. Bye-bye for now.